So as we can see, we are logged into Tradeshift, and first things first, let's have a look at Babelway, our middleware that brings those documents in. And we can see that actually we've had invoices come in from the PA, and we can see the actual status, which means that it's available for being able to work on, and we can see that document's there. And what we're going to use is Scan.io, and Scan.io is an app that allows us to bring documents from outside of Tradeshift, and in this case we've created an error on purpose. And we can see that as the documents come in, the header information is all there. We render a PDF. You'll notice it's greyed out some of the header information, so you cannot edit that. But also the reason we have an error is we have a message to say that we're missing a person, and we'll go and have a look at that in a bit. Also, you have a look, you get things like your rates, your reductions, but also importantly you get all of that invoice line information that you need for business processing. Here again we can see another element. So this is actually bringing in purchase order data, which we can bring in and make sure that that data is there to try and help with any posting. So straight through processing, we still want to be able to really help with that. And now what we're going to do is go and have a look and resolve that error. So here we can see that we was missing that reference person. We're just going to enter a name in here just so we can process it, but also we would have the ability to pass that document to suppliers to resolve as well. So we're just going to push the document through in the system, and this will just take a couple of seconds. And what we will now do is we will go and have a look at how that document appears in a normal status in Document Manager. So this is the app where you can see the documents, and this view would work for both buyers and suppliers, both sides. And we can now see that this invoice has been accepted, so it's in the system, and we can see that it's processed as you would normally see any invoice. So an invoice has come in from the PA and processed through.